Hello students, myself Kirandeep Kaur. Today in this video we are going to discuss a new chapter, probability. Students, probability means chances, that how many chances and possibilities. For example, if today is Thursday, then tomorrow will be a Friday. It is certainly a true statement. If today is Monday, then yesterday was Saturday. It is impossible because Sunday comes before Monday. These are the examples of the probability. Read all the examples. Next students, we often talk of chances of an event to happen. First one is even chances. If the chance of happening or not happening of an event are same, we say that the event chances of happening. For example, the chances of a newly born baby to be a boy is even. If the chances is 50-50%, then these chances are called the even chances. For example, when we throw a coin, then either head comes or tail comes. 50% chances of the head and 50% chances of the tail. That is the even chance. Next is sure chance. Students, if we throw a coin, there is a sure chance of getting a head or tail. Such events are called the sure event. If we throw a coin, then either head or tail come, that is the sure chance. Next is impossible chance. Impossible chance, there is 0% chance. For example, there is no chance that it will rain every day in Delhi in 1 year. Such events are called impossible events. Next is good chance. Students, good chances are above than 70%. And last one is the poor chance. Poor chance are those chances that are below than 50%. Now let's do the exercise 20.1. Describe the chance of happening of each of the following events using the word. No chance, poor chance, even chance, good chance and sure chance. She throws a tail with the coin. Students, when we throw a coin, then either head comes or tail comes. That means 50% chances for the tail and 50% chances is for the head. That means this chance is even chance. Next is India will win the match. Students, match is played between the two countries. That means two countries are played. 50% chances to win the match is for India and 50% is for the another country. That means this chance is also even chance. It will not rain for 12 months. It is impossible. That is poor chance. It is not possible. It is poor chance. She will throw a tree with a dice. That is also the poor chance. My birthday falls on 13th June this year. Next year it will fall on 13th May. No chance. There is no chance. If the birthday in the previous year is on the 13th June, that means in the next year is again on the 13th June, not on the 13th May. If we work hard, you will pass the examinations. That is the good chance. If we will work hard, then we will pass. Today is 15 July, tomorrow will be 16 July. Surely, if today is 15 July and the next is 16 July, that is the sure chance. The newly born baby will be a girl. That is the even chance. Newly born baby may be a girl or a boy. 50% chances is for the girl and 50% is for the boy. That is the even chance. It will rain today. Even chance. 100 people can fit into a car. That is no chance. Because not more than 5 persons sit in the car. I will buy a packet of potato chips this week. Good chance. We can draw a triangle whose angles add up to 180 degrees. Sure chance. Because all the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That is sure chance. Two non-parallel lines intersect at a point. That is also sure chance. Three lines intersect at 4 points. No chance. Because three lines cannot intersect at 4 points. Throwing an odd number on a dice. That is the even chance. Either odd number comes or even number comes when we throw the dice. Some definitions. Experiment. An experiment is a situation involving chances or probability that leads to results called outcomes. For example, students, when we throwing a dice or tossing a coin is called the experiments. Next is outcomes. Students, when we throw a dice, then either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 comes. That is called the outcomes. Random experiment. A random experiment is that in which all possible outcomes are known, but the exact result of the trial cannot be predicted. Event. An event is one or more outcomes of an experiment. One event when a coin is tossed is getting a head. Trial. By a trial we mean performing a random experiment. Student, next one is probability. Probability means chances. Students, the formula of the probability is probability of an event is equals to number of favorable outcomes over total number of possible outcomes. For example, when we throw a coin, then either head comes or tail comes. How many possible outcomes? That is head and tail, 2 possible outcomes. And how many favorable outcomes? Either head come or tail come, that is only 1 come, that is number of favorable outcomes is 1. And how can we write? Probability of an event is equals to 1 by 2. Now let's start exercise 20.2. For each situation, write out list of the all possible outcomes. Here we have to write out the possible outcomes. Tossing a single 5 rupee coin. Students, when we tossing a 5 rupee coin, then there are 2 possible outcomes, that is head and tail. Picking a letter from the vowels of an alphabet. How many vowels in an alphabet? A, E, I, O, U. Write down. These are the possible outcomes. Drawing a ball from the bag. And bag contains 1 green ball, 1 blue ball, 1 red ball and 1 white ball. That means the possible outcomes: green ball, blue ball, red ball and white ball. Picking an odd number from the first 10 odd numbers. We have to pick the odd numbers. Write down all the odd numbers 10 up to 10. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. Picking a prime number from the first prime numbers. Write down the prime numbers first 5. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. These are the first 5 prime numbers. Next, student, second question. What is the probability of getting a vowel from A, E, I, O, U? We have to pick a vowel from all the vowels. Students, the formula is probability of an event is equals to number of favorable outcomes over total number of possible outcomes. So, total number of possible outcomes in vowels. How many vowels? A, E, I, O, U. 5. So, total number of possible outcomes is equals to 5. Students, we have to pick a 1 vowel. That means number of favorable outcomes is equals to 1. Write down the formula, after that put the values. Favorable outcomes 1, total possible outcomes 5. Next, student, third. What is the probability of picking a month of a year having 31 days? Students, how many months having a 31 days? Count it. Yes, 7. So write down total number of possible outcomes. How many months in a year? 12. Number of favorable outcomes. How many months having 31 days? 7. And you will get 7 over 12 is the answer. Find the probability of selecting the letters from the word A, B, S, U, R, D. Total number of possible outcomes. Write down the words, count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total number of possible outcomes 6, and we have to pick only 1. So number of favorable outcomes 1. So probability of an event is equals to 1 by 6. A bag has 10 marbles numbered from 1 to 10. What is the probability of drawing a marble with number 6? Students, here total number of possible outcomes. Write down the number 1 to 10. 10 marbles are here now, so 10. And number of favorable outcomes. We have to pick a number with 6, that is 1. That is, the probability is 1 by 10. In a cricket match between India and Pakistan, what is the probability of India winning the toss? Total number of possible outcomes. Student, India and Pakistan playing the match now. Total number of possible outcomes 2. Number of favorable outcomes. Only one country can win the toss now. So number of favorable outcomes 1. Probability of an event is equals to number of favorable outcomes over total number of possible outcomes is equals to 1 by 2. A dice is thrown 200 times and the outcomes are noted as shown below. Outcome 1, 21 times, 2, 30 times, 3, 42 times, 4, 38 times, 5, 29 times, 6 and 40 times. Here first of all we have to find out the fifth one. Total number of possible outcomes is equals to 200. How many times they throw a dice? 200 times. Write down here 200. Number of favorable outcomes. How many times come 5? 29 times. So probability of an event is equals to 29 upon 200. Thank you.